Hello everyone! JR Hokkaido sells the several types of rail pass that is a must for independent travel, such as the Hokkaido Rail Pass. Do you know Japan Rail Pass? It is a nationwide pass for JR trains. The Hokkaido Rail Pass is like a Hokkaido version of the Japan Rail Pass. It allows the unlimited JR train rides in Hokkaido except the Hokkaido Shinkansen. You can also take the sightseeing trains with the pass, but for the SL Furano train, which runs only in winter, the additional reserved seat charge is required. The 2 cars out of 5 cars on this train were renovated last winter. There are counter seats on the riverside and big windows along the aisle, so it got easier to see the views of the wetlands in winter. Okay, today I will talk about the rail passes with focusing on 3 points. The first point, we released 2 types of area pass in April last year. Hokkaido is very big and it is difficult to travel around all of the area in one trip, so customers always wanted to have a rail pass that covers smaller area. In response to the needs, we created the smaller area passes that cover the popular destinations Noboribetsu and Furano. The names are the Sapporo Noboribetsu Area Pass and the Sapporo Furano Area Pass. The Sapporo Furano Area Pass is valid between New Chitose Airport, Sapporo, Otaru, Furano, and PA for 4 days. Do you miss the flower fields in Furano? We have a video about the views of Furano taken in July this year. Let's take a look. If you go to Furano from Sapporo, the direct train Furano Lavender Express is recommended. The purple exterior is a landmark. Take the train from Sapporo Station at 7:53. And arrive at Furano Station at around 10. Then transfer to a local train. Get off the train at Naka Furano Station. After 10 minutes walk, you arrive at the Hokusei-yama Lavender Field. If you hop on the chairlift, you can enjoy the lavender-covered hills from the top. Wonderful views, isn't it? And after another 10 minutes walk, you arrive at the farm Tomita. From farm Tomita, walk for 10 minutes and arrive at Lavender Farm Station, which is a seasonal station. You can take the Furano BA Noroko train that runs during flower season from this station. Windows are very big and the wind is comfortable. Get off the train at Kamifurano Station. Walk for 15 minutes to the Hinode Lavender Garden. This place has less people compared to Farm Tomita, so you can enjoy taking pictures more. And take the Furano train again to BA. You can see the nice views of hills on the way. To visit Furano, the Sapporo Furano Area Pass is very useful. Next, using the Sapporo Noboribetsu Area Pass, let's go to see the autumn views in Noboribetsu. Take a limited express train from Sapporo Station and head to Noboribetsu. You can enjoy the colorful autumn leaves from Shin Noboribetsu Ohashi Bridge. At the Noboribetsu Hot Springs, many demons welcome you. One of the sightseeing spots, Jigokudani, is also nice for autumn leaves. The shrine in the hot spring town is quiet and relaxing. This is a hot spring pond near Jigokudani. The pond is very hot and the smoke is everywhere. And we recommend you to take a natural foot bath. Dipping your feet into a hot spring river makes your body feel comfortable. After enjoying the trip, it is good that you can take a rest on the train. The Sapporo Noboribetsu Area Pass is valid between New Chitose Airport, Sapporo, Otaru, and Noboribetsu for 4 days. If you visit Noboribetsu, please use this area pass. The second point, we introduce an e-ticket for the exchange order of the Hokkaido Rail Pass and the area passes. You can purchase an e-ticket online, and after arriving in Japan, please show the QR code at the station to get a rail pass. It is very convenient. Buying an exchange order before coming to Japan is a good deal because it is cheaper than buying a rail pass in Japan. For the Sapporo Noboribetsu Area Pass, the price is 8,000 yen for an exchange order and 8,500 yen for a rail pass purchased in Japan, so it is 500 yen cheaper. For the Sapporo Furano Area Pass, the price is 9,000 yen for an exchange order and 9,500 yen for a rail pass, so it is 500 yen cheaper. For the 5-day Hokkaido Rail Pass, the price is 19,000 yen for an exchange order and 20,000 yen for a rail pass, so it is 1,000 yen cheaper. If you want to get a rail pass, we recommend you to purchase an e-ticket or an exchange order before coming to Japan. The third point is our new service. When you enter and exit the station with a rail pass, you can use an automatic ticket gate now. The only thing you have to do is just insert your pass into the ticket gate. It is convenient. Last but not least, we have been working on the measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19 for your safety. Please watch the video. Please keep a safe distance when you line up. Please wear a mask when on board. Please eat in silence when you have a meal. We appreciate your cooperation and understanding. Thank you for watching our video. We are waiting for your visit in Hokkaido.